Hello, welcome to my broadcast about future tenses. Let's have a look. We're going to read this text together. The bus leaves in 5 minutes, so if we are going to take it, we will have to speed up. I can't miss it because I'm working in Montreal tonight. What we see from this text is that there are 4 uses of verb tenses to show the future. There are others as well, but today we're going to look at the first 4 basic ones. We can use the simple present to describe the future, to show an upcoming regular activity. The bus leaves in 5 minutes. The store opens at 7 a.m. I have a yoga class tomorrow morning. In this case, it is a regular activity. Next, we can use the present progressive verb tense to describe the future. We use that when we have a planned near future activity. For example, I can't go to the movie with you tonight because I am working. I am working is in the present progressive. We are leaving in the afternoon. She is helping me paint the house later today. I am starting swimming lessons next month. In this case, all of the verbs are in the present progressive, but for a planned near future activity. One of the most common forms that we use for the future is be plus going to and the base verb. Again, we use it for planned future activities. We often hear people say gonna. When we write, it is incorrect. But here are some examples. I am going to talk to him after class. That shows my intention. He is going to help me with my project. They are going to meet us in the park. It is going to rain tonight. In this case, I conjugate the verb be in the simple present form, and I add the expression going to, and then my verb that follows is in the base form. The most common form when we are learning to use the future is to use the auxiliary will plus the base verb. It is the easiest structure to learn. We use it to show a spontaneous decision, to make a promise, or when we have a belief about the future. I will see you later. He will help us, he promised. I predict that he will lose his job. In this case, it doesn't make any difference if my subject is I, or he, or she, or anything. The will form does not change, and the verb that follows also does not change. To make negative sentences, we make them as if we were using the verb tense in its regular structure. So for simple present, the train doesn't leave in 5 minutes. Present progressive, I am not working tonight, so I can help. Be going to, I make my be form negative. It isn't going to snow tomorrow, thankfully. But will, we say will not, and that makes a contraction of won't. He will not, he won't be at the meeting because he is sick. So, are these right? I'm gonna help. We should say I'm going to help. He gonna try. He is going to try. They is meeting us. They are meeting us. The train leave not. The train doesn't leave. The students helping later. The students are helping later. Next, when we make a question for the future, we follow the question structure for that particular verb tense. Remember, your auxiliary could be a form of the verb to be, do, does, or will. And then for the main verb, you follow the regular rules. Does the train leave at noon? Remember that in this case, does is my auxiliary, and so my verb comes back to the base form, because whenever I use the auxiliary do, does, or did, the verb goes back to the base form. Is he working tonight? Are they going to meet us at the park? Will he finish his project on time? In this case, or in all of these cases, these words are auxiliaries. And so I just follow the regular structure: auxiliary, subject, verb. So, to learn and remember how to use the future, we can practice. So look for a link on the website. The future will soon be here, so now is the time to practice. Remember that it is okay to say the word gonna, but that it is incorrect to write it. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.